Using guide. Connect unit to the DC power supply. The unit will be on at once, and the actual temperature inside the cooling compartment will be displayed. After starting up the unit, you can set the temperature to your desired value by pressing plus or minus button. The range is from -4 Fahrenheit to 68 Fahrenheit. You can short press or long press the button to change the temperature digits. Without any operation for 30 seconds, the child lock will activate, and the lock icon on the display screen will light up. To unlock, press plus and minus buttons for 3 seconds at the same time. At the same time, the child lock icon on the screen will be off. When the unit is on, press for more than 3 seconds to turn off the unit. When the unit is off, press once to run the unit immediately. Long press the settings button for more than 3 seconds. The parameters at the bottom of the display window blink, and enter the Advanced Parameter Settings program. Firstly, the unit is equipped with a 3-level battery monitor. After entering the Advanced Settings mode, the last time set level will flash in display window. Press the plus or minus button to select among low or medium or high. Secondly, short press the settings button. The last set compressor running mode, max or echo will flash. Press the plus or minus button to change the compressor mode. Thirdly, again short press the settings button. The temperature unit centigrade or Fahrenheit will begin to flash. Press the button plus or minus to change the temperature unit.